Hey YouTube, tonight I'm going to make a video showing how to change the carrier image and also the banner across. I was able to figure out a way, I don't know how common it is, to be able to put a logo or whatever you want over on the right side, which also moves the Wi-Fi symbol to the right side of the phone, as well as keep the time and have your custom logo. Obviously for the main home screen, and then also for all others, which is called default within the system. So it's on the right side there, as you can see, also on the left side, and has the correct time on it. So obviously first you would have to have a jailbroken iPhone, and to do that right now the only option is through Peonage, which is probably the best application out there to do it. Even if there were other options, this is in my opinion the best one. This is the iPhone 3G that I have. Okay, so once you've gone through that process, your phone should be jailbroken, and the only thing you'll notice on your phone that's different now is that it's now going to have this application on it right here called Cydia, and that'll be on your on the last page of your iPhone. I've changed mine around and put it on the first page, but you'll find it on your last page. So this is the Open SSH program that you're going to download within Cydia. You're going to want to click that and then click install and then confirm and then close the window, and it'll kind of reboot to the home screen, and at that point Open SSH will be running, and you'll be able to FTP into your iPhone. Okay, so first you'll have to make the template or the logo that you're going to use to put in the banner bar of the iPhone. In order to do that, I use Photoshop, but you'll go and you'll do new, file, new. It'll bring up a window. The width of the iPhone's screen is 320 pixels, but because there's other stuff on there, I went with 245 pixels wide, and then just 20 pixels high. That's all that top banner is. And then you do a transparent background, and then you click OK. And there's your new blank bar that we're going to work with. I like to increase the size to about 300% so I can see what exactly I'm working with. So here's the template that I made. Mine's actually about 20 pixels high and about 231 pixels long. And you can adjust. You got a little bit of room to play with it on each side, just depending on how you want it to look. You can kind of do this back and forth until you get it exactly how you want it. So I put my name on the left side, and then the reason you leave that space transparent through the middle is that's where the clock is on your iPhone. So I've just got a couple of different layers here, just one that says iPhone and one that says Jared, my name, and then that's about it. And then everything else is transparent. And then you want to save that file. Depending on where it's going to go, the file for the home screen, which has a black background, is all capital FSO underscore carrier underscore ATT, and then the extension is PING. So that's how you'll want to save it. And then you'll change the colors. Obviously, probably this black one would be for the default, which is all the other, the silver menu bar at the top, and that is named default with a capital D underscore carrier, all capitals, underscore ATT, all capitals, and again .png. And so I like to save my files. They both are, one of them with the red letters, one with the black letters. I save those on the desktop. So this is the Open SSH program that you're going to download within Cydia. I've already got it downloaded, so it's just asking me if I want to modify it. But you're going to want to click that and then click install and then confirm and then close the window, and it'll kind of reboot to the home screen, and at that point OpenSSH will be running, and you'll be able to FTP into your iPhone. And in order to FTP in the iPhone, I'm on a Mac, so what I think is probably one of the best FTP clients, at least to me, is CyberDuck. So in order to FTP into the iPhone, you'll go into CyberDuck. You'll want to choose SFTP, which is the SSH file transfer protocol, and then get your IP address from the iPhone. It's found in settings, then general, and then Wi-Fi, whatever network you're connected to, and then click the little blue arrow and it'll show you your IP address. So you'll type in your local IP address there. The username for the iPhone is root, and the default password is Alpine. I've changed my password, but the password that you'll put in there as the default password is Alpine. You'll then hit connect. Probably ask if you want to, it's an unknown host key, you'll put always. That is what I do. The password is Alpine. Mine is not that, I've changed it, but the default password is Alpine. And then lock. And there we go. So now I'm in the iPhone. And then first what we'll need is to make a I like to start from the root directory, it just makes it easier. And then it's var, V-A-R, which is an alias, and then mobile, and then down to library, and you're going to drop those files into the operator bundle.bundle folder, and you'll see there's already a bunch in there, some for Singular, some for ATT. There's going to be more in mine because I actually renamed the originals so that they'd still be in there but not be used with I just put the word original at the end of it. But then you'll simply take, once you've saved the originals, which you'll probably want to do, or renamed them like I did, take those two files that you made in Photoshop, drag them, just be sure they go into that operator bundle, let them go through, it'll bounce up with those files are already there as far as those files that are named that. You want to make sure you overwrite that, continue, it just takes a second, and it goes up, and the changes won't be noticed until you reboot your iPhone. I've got a program that you can also find in Cydia, there's actually 2 or 3 of them in there now, that I have mine called Respring. So instead of resetting the iPhone over and over for that, which takes a little while, you can just hit the Respring, and it resets the springboard on its own. Just takes a second, and everything will come back together. So there's everything, and once you have that, you'll look up and you'll see that you have the image on the right side. Push the Wi-Fi all the way to the right, and you'll have your custom image on the left side. And I'll try to make some more videos maybe about how to change the different tones, the different sounds, system sounds within the iPhone. So that's essentially it. See you later, YouTube.